Hello, what is your name?
My name is Dr. Shivanand. I am from OMA 223.
Now
we are performing auscultation on patient.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Avaru Sai Sumit.
Okay. Can I check your auscultation?
Yes.
Okay, standing right side of the patient. Please, you sit, change this, your chair. Okay. 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 First point.
This is the clavicular. From mid-clavicular to 5th intercostal space, we have to check the towards 1.5 centimeters. We have mitral valve.
Okay, fine. Your place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here to the 1.5.
1 second. And the 5 intercostal space inside how much?
Inside 1.5 centimeters we have a mitral valve.
Okay, listening.
Yeah.
Check your phonodoscope, which side good listening. Okay, put. Stand right side of the patient. Stand this, okay. Listening. You listening sound?
Yes.
Okay, next point.
From second intercostal space we have aortic valve.
Aortic valve points,
from,
yes.
Mid-clavicularis,
Yeah.
second intercostal space.
Okay, first and
Second.
second.
Towards the sternum.
Okay. 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 Next point.
See, on the same side, on the same opposite side, we have pulmonary valve.
Okay.
Same clavicularis, second intercostal space on
Left
the
side.
left side.
Okay. Listening. Next point.
Towards the
No, next point name.
we have vocal valve of the
Tricuspid valve point. Fourth point. Tricuspid valve point where?
tricuspid valve. We have in the sternum towards the
Xiphoid
xiphoid process, under the xiphoid process.
Okay. Listen. You listening sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
And
Bodkina erba
in the
points.
third
intercostal
intercostal
space.
space, air canal point.
Okay.
It is the lower side of the aortic valve.
Okay. Listen. Okay. After we need listening mitral valve points, patient heartbeat. We need counting, yeah, in 1 minute. Okay, thank you.